This is the right side, nothing has been done. Left side, also nothing has been done. I'm not going super crazy. I know a lot of people want me to go up here and all the way out. So all we need now is a Dremel tool, some bird poop, and an extension cord.
Is it hard? Babe, you okay?
Don't touch that, alright? It's not like the most insane thing, but it's definitely there. So you can see right there, it's all cut up. I think it looks super cool, super clean, and it's just the right amount. Body mount chop, alignment, and we're good to go, boys. It's been your boy. I'm Outie like an Outie. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.